Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix your problem. Problem is that your AirDrop is not working. You may face the issue that when you just bring device together and they're not working properly. So in this video, I'm gonna give you some steps you have to follow it to fix your issue. Simply just go to settings of your iPhone. Before going to AirDrop, you simply just go to General and just go to Software Update, and you have to make sure that you just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe your iPad. Simply just go back and just scroll down and you see there is an option a transfer reset iPhone. Just tap on that and also tap on reset. And here you just tap on reset network settings. After that, simply just go back, again back, and scroll down and just go to privacy and security. Just tap on that and just go to location services and just scroll down and you see that there is an option as system services. Just tap on that and just scroll down and you see that there is an option as significant locations. You make sure that it's turn it on. So many users face issue that their location is not perfect and their location there sometimes they use a VPN or maybe their location is changed. So it's not tracked in my iPhone. So you have to make sure that your significant location is on. After that, simply just go back of your settings and just again go to the airdrops. Just go to general section and just go to airdrop, and here you just make sure that you just have to select everyone for 10 minutes and make sure that you just if you just tick on contacts only to make sure that it's only on your contact list. If he is not in your contact list, then it's not contact with your airdrop. So make sure that you just tick everyone for 10 minutes and also turn on that toggles. So make sure that you follow that settings to fix your issue. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.